Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this fourth day of December 2025. We just closed the U.S. Closed Live Trading Room and another brilliant day in the room. So the setup is pretty familiar to those of you who have been watching us for any amount of time. The buyers have made a move up. They've hit some brick walls in the form of moving averages. And then they've gotten this very, very nice strong candle indicator that you can only find at SamuraiDayTrading.com. It says go ahead and put your trade on the body of this candle after a retrace. And so we're going to do a push retrace off the 50 of the day and see how far we can run this down. Now the PVI is dwindling, so the volume in the market is going down. So we don't want to really overshoot this with our ATM. So we're going to be going for our standard 16s, 30s, and 60 tick targets, de-risking after the first target's been hit. So we'll just wait for this to push up to the 50, and then we'll hit it short. And here's how it went down in the room today. Just wait for it to come up. There we go. Come on. Pretty sure, as I say, I'm pretty sure it hit the 50 of the day. Put your order on the body, wait for it to get picked up. If it just wants to run long, that's fine. That's why we wait for the retrace in case the market just wants to go in the other direction, which does happen sometimes. But now we got an extra failure and first target's out. So you see how we de-risk the trade immediately. And this is the regular speed of the market right now. So first two targets are out. We'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit because sometimes that last target can take a little bit of time. And we're going for 60s targets out. That trade took all of a minute and 20 seconds to complete and was worth 610 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 610 US dollars in 1 minute and 20 seconds, I suggest you come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We got a whole series course on teaching you how to trade. And if you don't want to learn how to trade, you just jump in the LTR and follow along with the moderators. So look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.